Oh, are you here for Sunday brunch? You're such a lady.
You have to be careful. Don't go on with too much where you're like, uh-oh, I've wasted product and now it's all over my face.
Hi, I'm Mallory Brooke, makeup artist and content creator here on YouTube, and today's video is about my favorite spring lip combinations. I love making lipstick combinations up. Lip liner, lipstick, or lip liner, lip gloss. And I love doing these videos. I do it for every season, and every time I just feel like, oh my god, I found some lip combos I need to share. And I feel like this is a combination of it's seasonal and also, oh my god, I have found lip combos I need to share. Let's get into it. The first one is the one that I have on today, because you know it would not be a Mallory Brooke video if I did not talk about my favorite nude lip of the moment. And I feel like this is a really great nude lip for spring because it's neutral, but it's a little bit like, you know, pinky in there. So that's what I have on. I love this combo so much. It is the Tower 28 one liner, multi-liner in Work of Art. Oh my god, this lip liner. You can also use it as eyeliner and on the cheeks and on the face. They've done, you know, quite a bit with the one liners. They're supposed to be multi-use and they really are. They are incredible. I've used this as eyeliner, like I said, to make a cohesive makeup look, and it works. It works and it doesn't burn your eyes. Just make sure that you are wiping off the tip or sharpening and cleaning the tip before you go like lips to eye, like, you know, back and forth. But that is Work of Art. And then the lip shade right over that, I love In Beauty so much, you guys, and I have a discount code with them, Mallory15. It works on their website only. It's not an affiliate code. It's just a code with them for a discount for you. But In Beauty lip glaze in number 7. This is Cookie. If you've not tried their lip oils, girl, everybody, it seems, especially larger brands, are trying to copy them, even just based off of their cute, like, chubby little tube packaging, as well as the applicators themselves for their lip oils are really nice and kind of fat and soft, and you can get precision with them and all of the benefits of the incredible ingredients in their lip oils. These are not oily, so they don't break down other color products like your lip liner or your lipstick. If you wear lipstick with the In Beauty lip glazes, lip oils, I love them. I love every shade, but Cookie is the perfect, just, oh, the perfect kind of pretty, petally, peachy nude. Here is Work of Art and In Beauty lip glaze 7 in Cookie together, swatched right next to each other. Again, it is what I have on, and when I wear this lip combo, I get a lot of compliments out in the real world, as well as a lot of compliments and comments wondering what I'm wearing when I do wear this. It's such an easy go-to. It's beautiful, and again, because it's kind of like petally peachy, it just makes the perfect happy shiny lip for spring. The next lip combo is like an alternative to a nude. The lip liner is M Cosmetics Soft Blur Velvet Lip Liner in Fawn, which is a really beautiful kind of soft nude. And then right over that, I have been loving to use Hira's 435 Pampas. So I did a sponsored video with them last year, and their lip products are really, really great. And the packaging is really unique. It's a Korean beauty brand, really feathery, lightweight lip product. So when I discovered that Fawn looked beautiful with the shade Pampas 435, I was like, ooh, that's perfect, because sometimes like light corally shades can be difficult to find a lip liner that goes with them, but Fawn has enough peach in there that it doesn't take away from the coral brightness, and it just works really well together. Fawn is another great lip liner for just an all-over soft lip. The M Cosmetics Soft Velvet Lip Blurs are my favorite lip liners of all time, period. They wear down like no other lipstick, like or lip liner, but I do wear them as all-over color a lot, so I go through them kind of a lot. They're soft, they blur lines. I mean, even just this alone, just lined and blurred, and the formula is meant to be blurred, and it's just, oh, it gives you such a beautiful soft focused lip. Anyway, moving on. Here is lipstick in 435. This is their like liquid lipstick. This shade in particular, oh, look at it. See how Fawn just kind of grounds it, but it doesn't take away from it? Oh, so pretty. And also the applicator makes it really easy to get precision. I love their lip products, and I honestly don't know if I would have discovered them if they hadn't sent them to me to, you know, see if I wanted to do a sponsored video with them. Really lightweight and feathery. Also, it's a really great matte lip that you don't feel. So if you're someone who likes a matte liquid lipstick, but you hate the way they feel, Hira's liquid lipsticks are so so good. But 435 Pampas is so pretty for spring, and I think it's just absolutely gorgeous with fawn. I think fawn has enough weight to it to, again, ground the shade, to not make it too bold in your face, but it's not neutral enough to take away from it. Love this lip combo, and I think it's so pretty for spring. All right, next lip combo I'm loving for spring are two Cosmetics lip products. Anyway, Soft Blur Velvet Lip Liner in Bunny. So pretty and so pink. Again, it can be worn on its own. It's like a lighter version of Kitten, if you're familiar with that shade. It's definitely like a happy shade of lip liner, you know? So then I just like to blur. Can't rave enough about these lip liners, honestly. You could put a clear gloss on and it's pretty, you know, for spring. But I do love the new and improved Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. They used to be the lip clouds, the infinite lip clouds, which I loved, but they've upgraded to the soft spoken range, and there's lots of like crazy technology in these actually. But this is the shade in particular with Bunny that I love, is Petal. It feels weird because it feels like you're almost putting a mousse on your lips, but it's like it's not even there. It's like you feel it because you don't feel it, if that makes sense. Feels like a mousse, but Bunny and Petal together, it's like my excuse to wear pink lips. I do not ever wear pink lips. I don't think they look good on me, but I feel like this version of a pink lip is like,
Oh, are you here for Sunday brunch? You're such a lady.
that's what this lip combo reminds me of. So if you are someone who also really likes a matte lip, but you hate the way matte lips feel, you will love the Cosmetics Soft Spoken liquid lipsticks. They're very unique, just like the Hera liquid lipsticks, very unique. These are a little bit more opaque than the Hera liquid lipsticks. Like,
You have to be careful. Don't go on with too much where you're like, uh-oh, I've wasted product and now it's all over my face.
because you just want to keep rubbing these because they feel so soft, and then it's like, oh, I've overdone this. Anyway, absolutely wonderful. Love this lip combo. I think it's very ladylike. Next lip combo, Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Full Scale Rust and Hourglass's Unlocked, I love this packaging so much, Unlocked Lipstick in Dove. And Dove is a shade that I almost returned because I was like, I don't know how to work with this, but now that I have used it with Full Scale Rust, I'm like, glad I kept it. And if you're not familiar, the Makeup Forever Artist Liners, right? So artist color pencils can be worn on face and the eyes and the lips. And I have used them with all of those applications and they work beautifully with all of those applications. It's like the Tower 28 one-liner pencils. So Makeup Forever has a really like a large range. All right, that is Full Scale Rust. Now Dove is really peachy. When I bought this online, it looked much more nude, but like a warm nude. Ooh, it's not.
Look how pretty it is with Full Scale Rust though. We haven't even got it all over our lips. I need to calm down.
And there you have it, the perfect like bright, friendly, smiley coral lip combo. Makeup Forever Artist Pencil, Color Pencil, and in Full Scale Rust, and Hourglass Unlocked Lipstick in Dove. Huh? Isn't this so pretty? It's just like a happy coral combo. But again, I didn't know how to use Dove until I realized that Full Scale Rust, I did like a full like, okay, we gotta figure out how to make this color work because I really like it. I just don't know what lip liner to use with it. And I was swatching like almost every lip liner that I owned. And I was like, I think this is the one. And girl, it is. If you haven't tried the Hourglass Unlocked formula, it reminds me of Charlotte Tilbury's Kissing formula, to be honest. A little bit more, it's like thinner feeling than the Charlotte Tilbury Kissing lipstick formulation. And I feel like this is a touch, not like visibly sheerer, but as a person who like is really familiar with probably too many formulations, this is just like a hair less pigmented than the Charlotte Tilbury Kissing lipsticks. That's not a bad thing. It's just, that's the difference in the formula that I see. So anyway, moving on from that. All right, next we have a red lip combo, and that's wild for me. If you've followed me for any amount of time, you know I don't really wear red lips. I love my nudes, you know what I mean? But this red lip is so pretty. It's like if you want a glossy popsicle lip that's like not sheer like a popsicle lip, this is it, girl. So another one from Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. This is in the shade Ether Cherry. I think I've been saying this is Ether Cherry. Anyway, this is like really pretty pinky red, which is like, ooh, I'm a little uncomfortable. But I feel like this year, since I've, you know, accidentally had all my hair chopped off, I really want to play with lip colors because I feel like obviously my face is much more on display. So why not have fun with it? And so that's why we've been branching out with color. Oh, I sharpened it way too much.
Ugh, got some in my mouth.
And I just like to blend this out and fill the majority of the lip in with this, okay? Look how pretty either cherry is on its own, okay? And it will last you as its own lip color for a very long time. But I want to apply a gloss over it because I do love popsicle lips. I just want a little bit more pigment. So laying down a really highly pigmented lip liner and then going over it with like a jelly type gloss. This is Tower 28's lip gloss Shine On Lip Jelly in XOXO. This right over either cherry is so pretty. It like makes it almost like a neon red lip. But look, is this not like a popsicle lip, but fully pigmented? I love these two together. Ether Cherry, XOXO, perfect, like glossy, electric, springy, pinky undertoned red. I love this lip combo. And look, I mean, like, it makes me want to go, the short hair isn't too bad. That's why I'm playing with color, I feel like, with my hair being this short this season. I love it. And also, if you're not familiar with the Tower 28 lip jellies, oh my God, they are so hydrating feeling. You feel like you could like drink it. Don't do that. Not even for TikTok views, okay? You feel like you could drink it though and like get hydrated from the inside out with these because they're so lightweight. They're in just, oh my God, incredible. Well, those are my top lip combos for spring right now. I'm having a lot of fun, like I said, playing with brighter colors. So let me know in the comments below what shades you lean towards when the sun is out for much longer and the flowers are blooming and your allergies are eating you alive. I would love to know what lip combos or just what lip products in general you lean towards. I will have everything I talked about and mentioned and swatched and I'm wearing all in the info box below. So just click see more and you'll see it all listed there. And don't forget to like this video. If you like this video, it helps me a lot because it lets YouTube know you enjoy my videos so they actually show up in your feed. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love to have you over here on this channel amongst all of the lovely people that are just, you know, it's just like, I don't know what it is about this channel. You guys have made this such a friendly place, so no one has to like be scared that they're gonna be attacked or something in the comments. Anyway, I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy freaking spring. Even though yesterday was 30 degrees, we're not concerned.
All right.